From the start of your song idea to the mixing, to the mastering, and then to the releasing, the tools within Landr Studio can help you every step of the way. And this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I have a preview of Landr Studio that I thought I would check out, but if you do use the link down in the description, you will save $50 off your annual subscription to Landr Studio. So that is awesome. Now let's check out some of the features that will help you to get the most out of Landr Studio. So this is what it looks like when you're logged in. And you can see up at the top here, we have everything from creating to collaborating, mastering, distribution, learning, and then you can check out the pricing on everything, and you can even earn money on here. So we'll look at all of these things. So let's start with creating. If we go down to creator here, we can start creating a beat within here if you want to use their creator kits. So you can scroll through here, see a kit that you want to check out. Maybe it's this one here, open in creator. And then you can see down here, we can start messing around with these samples that are in here. We can change the key if we want. Apply that. It's going to load samples in the key of A, and you can just start messing around with some ideas that might inspire your next track. So that is the creator portion here. You actually get 1,200 sample credits with your Landr Studio subscription. So let's just quickly check out the samples section here so you can see what's going on. And you can see at the top here, we have new releases. So they're constantly adding more and more in there. There's exclusives in here. There's so many samples that you can choose from, and you can sort them by drums, vocals, grooves, melodies, bass, and that's just quick picks. There's more that you can do in here. So much more you can do in here. There's even a plugin that you can download so you can use these and test them out right in your DAW right away. So you don't even have to browse them on the website. You can just use that plugin if you want. So that was your samples. Now you also get a ton of plugins and software with this. Let's check those out right now so you can see what you'll get in here. Now you see here we have plugin of the month. So you're going to get new plugins added in here too, but this is an excellent one. If you get in there right away, you can grab that. You have the Landr Effects Suite, which is really cool. They're these simple one knob plugins that can do all kinds of things for your songs. And they're very easy to use because they're just one knob. You get Baby Audio Tape, which is excellent. Mixbox SE. And I actually love the IK Multimedia Mixbox plugin. So you get that with your subscription here. You get the Arturia RevPlate 140, which is one of my favorite reverb plugins. You get this Corv Presser from Clevgren. Time Shaper 2, that's the plugin of the month right there. Lo-Fi Pitch Dropout, Rift Filter Light, Lo-Fi Flux Light, Flare and Fuchsia from Pure Magnetic, this S Quick Strip from Keve Audio, which is like a nice slimmed down version of an SSL channel strip. And then these are part of those Landr effects right here. So you can see there's Landr Effects Bass, Beats, Acoustic, Electric, and then up here we had Voice. So some excellent stuff right there, but there is even more that you get with this as well. You'll actually get Ableton Live 11 Lite. You can see there's some courses in here from Berkeley. There's this hit songwriting course in here. There's the melodics, production techniques. So it's more than just a collection of plugins. You're getting some courses that are going to help you learn how to mix, learn how to songwrite, learn how to do a bunch of different things with these courses. So that's really nice. Sample Tank 4 SE is in there. You have a bunch of instruments in here. Also, a cool thing that you get is VocAlign Project 5, and this is going to help you to align your vocals and things in your projects, and it's just going to take seconds to do it. So we've looked at creating, we've looked at the plugins and some of the software you get. Now let's look at this Collaborate feature, because this is really cool. With Collaborate, there's a bunch of different tools within that category. You can share and chat, so if there's some musicians that you work with, you can share and chat from in there. You can connect with other creators, so you can look through here. Maybe you want to find a drummer or a vocalist or a bass guitar, whatever it is, you can sort through here to see what it is you want to find. And I think this is really cool that you have the ability to do that. Now, not all of these are going to be free to work with these people, but prices start at like $19 or something for some of them. And you can charge money for this service. So you can create your own profile on here, and you can charge money to play guitar, record a beat for them. There's all different types of services that you can sell on Landr. Now, another thing that you get with your Landr Studio subscription is unlimited mastering. And this is simple mastering where you just drag and drop your track into it. It's going to do some automatic mastering for you, and then you have some options to choose from. And then from there, you can download unlimited revisions of the MP3, or you have 3 wave masters per month that you can use. But there's nothing wrong with a high quality MP3, and you have unlimited access to this mastering, which is great. Now you've written your song, you've mixed it, you've mastered it. Now let's release it. And you can see with Landr Studio, you have unlimited distribution. So you can release as many songs as you like into the world, and you can see it will go to over 150 platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, and all of the popular ones, plus many more. Now, one of the things that you might want to get with your Landr Studio is an excellent mini MIDI keyboard, and I really recommend the one in this video. And if you liked this video that you're watching right now, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating. Fist bump. Thumbs up.